Hello everybody, welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today we're just going to go through and show you a medication one which has a specific time period. So for example, a 7-day course of antibiotics. So it's very simple. We just go to the medication page. Now as an example, we can say that let's say we're going to give amoxicillin a 7-day course of amoxicillin that needs to be taken twice a day. So we will start this as an example on Wednesday the 11th for 7 days. It will then finish on Tuesday. What we can do is we will link it to the morning appointment. We can put its 1 tablet, strength 500 milligrams. Now here we have a medicine inventory. So what this is a counter. So as the carers give a tablet, it will count down the amount that should be in the packet, and the staff can see that in the app and make sure that the number of tablets in the packet match what it shows on the system. This further avoids medication errors. So we'll say it's going to be 14 tablets. At the moment it's just the morning appointment. So we click submit. We then go to the medication that we previously created, the amoxicillin, and we clone this medication, and we then link it to the T appointment. We put the same dates, so from the 11th to the 17th, and it will, as you see, it will come up with the counter again. So this then will show the carers the number of tablets that are needed, and we can show you that how it displays in the app. We can show you, we will show you that at the end of this video. So we click submit. So now we can go to the appointment report, and the appointment in the app, and we can see in the app that the medication has been added, and you can see the medication balance is 14. So if we complete this appointment, which I will do, and then we'll go to the next appointment, and the count should then change to 13. So now we've completed the first appointment. We will then go to the next appointment, and we will look at the medication, and you can see the medication balance is now 13, as we've already given one medication. So I hope this video helps you when you're adding, temporary medication, and you've got the count, which will further assist, your carers to help reduce medication errors. Thank you very much. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.